Got it here 5 CRKT hatchets and axes, more like camping type of stuff. So let's see what these things are all about. My unboxing knife is going to be Kershaw. Is that how I pronounce it? I got it on fan mail. I really love the way it looks. And it's work knife, it's kind of getting old, need to be sharpened. But for the unboxing it's okay. So let's start with the hatchet. This one right here. This is more like advertisement I have put to the test this knife. Very cool. Anyways. Wow. Very small hatchet. Kind of like a throwing one. Look at that clip. That's one of a kind. Okay, how do we pull this out? Oh, there you go. You just slide it all the way out together. That's kind of unique. Every single one of them are always so different. Okay. Very nice. It clips in into it, so you just pull it forward. I really thought this way you would pull it off first from the holster. Looks like it's oiled up, and it's definitely the turned one because we got here a blade, super sharp tip, and all the way around. It is definitely very hefty. Would be fun throwing it. There is Jenny Range Compact tactical design. Beautiful. I really like the handle. So tiny but so hefty. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Much bigger one. Doesn't really tell me what kind it is on a box, but very surprising to see these boxes that holds real hatchet and throwing knives. You see what I'm saying? This one is a camp axe, I think that's what it's called. Woods T Hawk axe handle installation instructions. Very interesting. That's super simple. 1, 2, 3, burn on it. Come on, man. I could figure this out. I wonder how much they paid this guy who had to come up with this instruction. Okay. Beautiful. I don't think I have an axe like that. It's not a sharp edge, even though it looks like, but the tip comes very sharpened. But again, nothing that you're going to cut yourself. It's more like for chopping. And a hammer on this side. So let's see how it works. Wait, you gotta put it this way. Should have read the instructions. Boom. You just put it like that. Wood chogan. Is that how I pronounce it? This is quite comfortable little camping axe. I like it. And every time you swing it, I don't think it's gonna come out. If anything, it's gonna go inside of it. But I wonder if it's going to have a problem coming out this way instead. Probably not. But let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this thing? I really like it a lot. Okay, next one, much thicker box over here. There's some kind of numbers. I don't know if it tells us anything. Ooh. Oh my gosh. The biggest box, the smallest axe. Ooh, this is hand axe. I have a 1 or 2 CRKT, but I have the one a little bit bigger than this and a much thicker handle. But yeah, this is beautiful. What do you guys think? I really like this a lot. Flat and then curves down, way down. Again, not very sharp at all, not going to be able to cut myself, but I think it's pretty nice. How it slants pretty good. If you buy $12 one, it's so dull. I think this one will chop pretty good. Is there a name of it? Rush Design, and there's a number. So nice. I like that one a lot. I honestly expected to find something much bigger in such a big box, but that's cool. Confidence in hand. I like that. Ooh, you see what I mean? Much smaller box, a much bigger axe. That is so funny. But yeah, wow, this one is cool. Looks like a battle axe. Check this out. Is that how you're supposed to hold it? Is it for the hand or is it just for fun design like that? Will it break off one day? Does that ever happen? I'm sure it'll be just fine. Again, this is a camp axe, I think. No, Rush design. Is that says Fryer or Freer? I don't know. Probably Fryer. Oh wow, interesting. They put the wooden shim in and couple metal ones, circle one. That's cool. Beautiful handle. Nice. I don't have that size of a camp axe. Very compact, but feels very durable. Let's see. Ooh, this one is much sharper. I would cut myself. So that's really nice. And the last one right here. It works really good. I like it. There you go. Wow. That's definitely a lot smaller. I don't like the handle doesn't curve a lot, and it's very slippery handle. So I guess I'd have to hold it like that. Not bad. Could have been a little bit thicker bulb over here, you know, something to hold on to. That's cool though. It's a tiny hatchet. This is the bare layer Rush design. Beautiful. Let's see how sharp it is. This one not so sharp. That other one was way sharper. Same thing as shim and two metal circle shims. Is that what they call shims? Beautiful. I really like it though. Looks like I got one more CRKT Ruger black powder. That's pretty interesting. What do you guys think about Ruger CRKT? Should I do knives on that too? Carefully. Elk ridge need to be sharpened for sure. It feels really dull. It kind of broke it. I didn't even cut it. I kind of like the actual CRKT a little bit better. This is kind of funky. Little hatchet over here. I mean, kind of obviously this one is way better. It's way sharper. It looks cool. Handle does not slip out. Better like little wave ball over here so you can grab onto it very nicely. This one is nice. It's a little bit smaller, but at the same time, look, it's pretty much same size, just a little shorter handle. That handle is not fun of I am. So yeah, in the smaller sizes, this is more like a torrent hatchet school. I really like that one more. Could be a torrent hatchet, but it doesn't have anything around that. That one will stick to any side. It's just kind of funky. One of those modern hatchets. I don't know if I'm a big fan of them, but still very cool. I really like vintage, like old school style. That's what I mean. Yeah, and again, you see this wave, very nice to hold on to it and chop stuff. This is axe missing it here for sure. Doesn't feel good. And of course, I think all-time favorite is this one for me. I don't know how well it's going to stay in here, but it's definitely one of a kind hatchet, and I would love to use it, see if it actually works really well. So for that reason, because it's so unique, is my favorite. And I guess you can break it apart, just use another stick to take it off and fold it, put it away. I guess doesn't take as much space maybe. So very unique. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what do you think about this axis.